As the rays of golden light touch the verdant, comatose trees, the air blows a cold breeze. The Western Ghats forest is awakening. Slowly and steadily welcoming a new day, a new hope, and a new life. Listen now as the melody tunes in and adds the beautiful songs of the surroundings. One song stands out. It's our very own whistling schoolboy, the Malabar whistling thrush. It's so enthralling to hear the songs and sounds from all the corridors of the Silent Valley. They feed all our senses and fill the soul with peace. Elephants gracefully nibbling the rich foliage as usual. Deers, black-footed langurs, line-tailed macaques, Indian leopard, and many more. How beautiful nature is. As we turn to the skies, there are the choppers of silent forest. Yes, the hornbills of the Western Ghats. And also the stars of today's show. In nature, they remind us true love exists. The hornbills are the most romantic bird. The male dotes on his mate. Hornbills are monogamous birds with a long breeding season, which involves intensive parental care. These birds nest in large softwood trees with existing cavities. During the breeding season, hornbill pairs find a suitable cavity. The female then seals herself inside this cavity with droppings and muds and lay eggs, leaving only a slit for the male to bring back food for the family. Mother hornbill has shed her feathers to create a perfect egg incubator, as she and the fragile young stay isolated from daddy hornbill for time being. In the unfortunate event that the father could not return with food, the mother and their hatchlings starve and die inside the nest. The scenic beauty of the Western Ghats is breathtaking. The Western Ghats are best experienced during the monsoon month. When everything is lush green all around. Having survived nature's challenge, our hornbills look to the horizon, part of nature's canvas, flying free under the azure sky, filling the space between heaven and earth.